Do you want to get paid to chat and want to know if a Cambly Tutor job is the right way to do this? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and many viewers have asked me about my opinion about Cambly tutoring jobs. So therefore I decided to record this video where I will show you both the pros and the cons, because let me just reveal right away that it definitely does have both. And then you can decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over what Cambly is. And Cambly is an online tutoring platform, or where students, both kids or people that are above 18, can come and learn English. So they can find tutors, and the people that come here and join to learn English are from all over the world. And that is where your chance to get paid to chat comes in, because they are looking for people to become tutors. And of course you will get paid to do that. But let's talk about then the requirements to join as a tutor. So if you want to become a tutor, you need to go to the application page or the sign up page, and you can see that you can get paid to chat with people from around the world. And you do not need any teaching certificate or a bachelor degree or any prior teaching experience. So that's of course great. But one thing you need to be aware of is that when you go to the main page where the students sign up, they are promised to learn from a native English speaker. So that means that you should not apply if you are not a native English speaker, because that is what people pay for, to speak and learn from a native English speaker. So that is just something you need to be aware of. Other than that, there are not really any requirements. And later we'll talk about how much you can earn. Let's first go over how to apply. So if you decide this is for you after watching this video, you just need to go to the application site or where you can sign up as a tutor, and then click to get started. And then you will get to choose. You can choose that you just want to chat with or tutor people that are above 18, or they also have a whole separate one for kids. So you can of course use both, or you need to decide for yourself what you feel comfortable with and what you feel you have the skills to do. So that's one option you have, but then you just choose, and then you will come inside the platform, and this is how it will look right after signing up. So you need to first fill out your profile, and you need to then answer some different questions, and then they will check your connection, because of course you need to make sure that you have a good connection so it doesn't cut off right in the middle of a tutoring session or anything like that. But this whole thing that will usually take around 15 minutes. But you basically just go through everything step by step, and then you will be told if you have been approved, and then you will start getting access to these different tutoring jobs. But of course you need to know how much you can expect to earn. So let's talk about that next. So Cambly is quite transparent about how much you will earn, and I do like that aspect of it. You can see that you will earn $0.17 per minute. That means that you would earn $10.20 per hour. And if you are teaching kids, you will earn a little bit more. You will earn $12 per hour. But that of course doesn't mean that you can necessarily just work 8 hours in a row or something like that, because how much work that is available, that will vary from time to time. And also you need to make sure to consider the time zone, because sometimes people want to speak to you and they're in completely different time zones. So there are some things like that, but you can, from what I've been able to find out, potentially do this full time, but that will be very, very hard. It will take a lot of effort, a lot of planning. And for this salary, if you live in an English speaking country, this will require a lot of work to be able to make a living from this. But I do like this transparent, because then you know exactly what to expect. You can also just do it a few hours here and there for some extra money. That is completely up to you. You do not have to do it part-time, full-time, anything like that. And I do like that they pay once a week, so you can get paid weekly, and you can only get paid in cash via PayPal, but it's also a fairly convenient payout method. So to sum it all up, whether Cambly is worth it as a way to earn as a tutor and to teach people how to speak English or to chat to people, because it's mainly just to for people to practice their English skills by chatting. Whether it's worth it or not, well, that really depends on your expectations. It is a legit platform. You can get paid, and you know exactly how much you will get paid per hour, but it will take quite a lot of effort. So if you're looking for a way to earn flexible full-time income, this might not be the best opportunity in my opinion, but of course it all depends on your interests. If you're looking for a way to potentially earn a really good full-time income from home on your own terms, then there definitely are better options. I will also leave a link below to some more info about how you can potentially build a really great full-time income on your own terms. If you're interested in that, you can check that out below. But as for Cambly, yes, it is legit. You can earn by chatting with others if you are a native English speaker and if you can accept this salary. It all comes down to expectations, and now you know exactly what to expect, and that's always the most important when you decide whether an online earning opportunity is for you or not. And since so many of you have asked me about it, I hope that this helped clarify exactly what to expect so you can decide if this is the right opportunity for you or not. As mentioned, I will leave a link below to my top recommended way to build a full-time income online if that's what you're going for. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.